a children's show where everyone can learn to suggest. These kids' lessons are here today. The Beanie Boos are here too. We'll learn, sing, dance, and play. It's gonna be fun for me and you. Hard Hat, Pizza, and the others. We'll learn how to play through 10. ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, and learn how to be a friend. And always let them know we're ready to go. They're all set. It's time to start on the Brawl Object Show. Hey kids, welcome to the Brawl Object Show. I'm Controlly, the host of this show. We'll be singing, dancing, playing, and learning with our guests, the cast of BOTO. And our special guests of our show will be featuring the Beanie Boos, Stripes, Bandit, Wilma, and Peeps. So, let the show begin. Today's episode is called Pizza's Hiccups. One day, Pizza, Party Hat, Hot Dog, Baguette, Popsicle, Chocolatey, Shieldy, and Boat were having orange juice at Pizza's house. Ah, there's nothing like a perfect day to have an orange juice party, huh, Shieldy? It sure was, Party Hat! Orange juice is one of the healthiest drinks in the whole entire world. Hey Chocolatey, can I have some of your orange juice? Mine tastes kinda weird. Sure thing, Popsicle. Here you go. Thanks! Excuse me, Boat. Shall we do our secret orange juice handshake? Gee, that's a great idea, Baguette. Pizza? I don't think you should drink your orange juice too fast. Why? Orange juice is good for me. Yes, but if you drink your orange juice too fast, you'll get the hiccups. Hiccups? Oh no, I hope Pizza doesn't get the hiccups. Ah, that was the tastiest orange juice I've ever... Oh no, I think I got the hiccups. Oh no! See, Pizza? I told you. And now it's time for Sing Along with Chocolatey, the part of the show when Chocolatey comes up and sings a song. This has been Sing Along with Chocolatey. See you next time when you hear Chocolatey sing. Say cheese! Poor Pizza had the hiccups. His friends had to figure something out to get rid of his hiccups. Guys, we gotta help Pizza get rid of his hiccups. Let's think of something. Aha! I know something to cure his hiccups. Pizza, hold your breath for 30 seconds. Okay, party hat. Aw, it didn't work. Try standing on your head, Pizza. Okay, hot dog. That didn't work either. Oh dear, holding your breath and standing on your head always works, right, Bandit? Yes, Wilma. I will make a loud noise at you with this. That's just your belly, Bigot. Not just any belly, it's my bongo belly. Bongo belly? Wee! I use my belly as a bongo whenever I hear music. I'm sure that will make your hiccups go away. Yeah, Cord? Okay, here I go. Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, that's all I can do. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Boat's Joke-a-rama! A place where some of the silliest jokes are told by your favorite water transportation vehicle. Hello everyone, are you ready to hear some jokes? Yeah! Great, let's go! Hey Boombox, what do hiccups and rats have in common? I know, what? They both tell you've been drinking. Hey Shelly, why did the cookie go to the doctor? I don't know, why? Because it felt crummy. Hey Chocolatey, knock knock. Who's there? Cargo. Cargo who? Cargo beep beep. Hey Baguette, knock knock. Who's there? Interrupting cow. Interrupting cow who? Moo! That's the jokes for today. See you next time on Boat's Joke-a-rama. The objects still tried to get rid of Pizza's hiccups. Popsicle came up with another solution. Pizza, drink this glass of water. Oh man. Pizza, balance some sugar on your tongue. Uh-oh. These remedies aren't working out. Pizza, I know a better way to make your hiccups go away. Sometimes whenever I get the hiccups, I do a very simple technique, like this. First I go like this, spin around, stop, double take 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then pelvic thrust. Whee! Whee! Stop on my right foot, don't forget it. Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town. Then I do this, and this, then this, and this, and that, and this, and this, and that, and this, and that. Now you try. Okay. First I do this, spin around, stop, double take 3 times, and here I go, pelvic thrust. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, stop on my right foot. Don't forget it. Then bring it around time. And a little bit this, a little bit that, and this, and that. So, did it work? no. Ugh, what a shame. Get ready for Shieldy's Arts and Crafts. Hi there, my name is Shieldy, and welcome to my Arts and Crafts place where we'll make something that's fun and great. Now today, we're going to make a bead bracelet. To do it, all you need are beads, some string, and scissors. Step 1. Think of something to put letter beads on the bracelet to make a word. My favorite is friend. Step 2. Cut the string the size you need. Remember, the string has to be the perfect size to fit in your hand. Step 3. Put the beads in however you like. You can either put them in a color pattern or in a random order. I choose the pattern and I put in red, white, and blue beads in my bracelet. Step 4. Find the letter beads to spell a word and put them in the bracelet. For spelling the word friend, I put in F-R-I-E-N-N-D. Step 5. Continue putting color beads until your bracelet has enough of them. And finally, step 6. Tie the knot at both ends of the string and make sure your bracelet fits perfectly for your hand. And that's how you make a bead bracelet to share with some of your friends. I'll see you when you come back to make arts and crafts with me again soon. Bye! The objects tried everything to get rid of Pizza's hiccups, but none of them is going to help. I'm sorry, Pizza, but these ideas aren't going to help you get rid of your hiccups. Aw, man, that's too bad. I just wish there's another way to get rid of Pizza's hiccups. Aha! There's something we haven't tried to get rid of his hiccups. What is it, Boat? Scary might help. We'll just have to sneak up on Pizza, and then we'll all jump up and shout, "Boo!" And then his hiccups will be gone in no time. Hey, that's a great idea! Get ready, Pizza! We're about to scare your hiccups away! Okay, Boat. Everyone, we're gonna need your help. On the count of 3, we'll all say, "Boo!" And hopefully, that'll make Pizza's hiccups go away. Let's do it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3... Boo! And now, it's time for Shelly's Wildlife Reports. Hello everyone, it's me, Shelly, and I'm here to read one of my reports on wild animals while the Wildlife Slideshow plays. Today's wildlife report is about kangaroos. Kangaroos are big marsupials that have the head of a deer, a long balancing tail, and back legs of a rabbit. They live down under in eastern parts of Australia. Kangaroos sometimes walk on all fours, but they can also jump up to 6 feet high. Their big, powerful feet help them jump higher and longer. Kangaroos also use their feet to fight with other kangaroos to find a mate. The bigger the male kangaroo is, the stronger they are. Female kangaroos have pouches that carry their baby kangaroos, called joeys. When joeys are born, they are only about the size of a jelly bean. After about 8 months old, the joeys can leave their mother's pouch and go explore their habitat. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. The alpha male kangaroo is the leader. Every day, mobs like to graze on grass to make it more beautiful. Kangaroos are fast movers, which can travel 20 to 25 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. And that's my wildlife report I have today. I'll read you the next wildlife report when you come back soon. Bye! Pizza opened his eyes and saw his friends beyond daylight. Huh? What happened? Hey, I think my hiccups are gone! Woohoo! Scaring them must have worked! Yay! Wow, I can't believe this. No more hiccups. I feel so happy right now. Pizza is cured! Oh, by the way, Baguette, why does your belly sound like a bongo? It's a sad but happy story. Back in France, when I was younger, I got a pair of bongos on my birthday. I played on my bongos all day long, every day, because I loved them. But one day, a big eagle swooped down and snatched my bongos with his talons. I tried to get them back, but it was too late. I felt so worried that I'd lost my ever-loving birthday gift. Until my father gave me something to bring back my bongos. A magic watermelon. So I ate that whole magic watermelon in just one bite. After I ate it, I felt a little tinkle inside my belly. The watermelon made my stomach change its color from pink to purple, and it made it change its sound. Instead of making gurgling sounds, it made bongo sounds. I felt so happy that I played my bongo belly while dancing to music. And that was my story. Magic watermelons make everyone's belly sound like bongos. And I will have a bongo belly for the rest of my life, even when I now live here. Magic watermelons? Wow! Thanks for sharing, Baguette. A comprendre. Okay, everyone, let's go! And thus, the objects, including Pizza, all became great friends. Pizza was so happy that he'll never get hiccups from drinking orange juice too fast again. Until... Hey guys, wait for me! Whoa! Oof. Oh no, now I got them! Well kids, we had such fun, and now we're done. Join us next time for another amazing episode of the Brawl the Object Show. Thanks for coming. Bye!